I'm Meg Sinclair, publisher of Holistic Primary Care, and I'd like to invite you to join us in Long Beach, California for our 2012 Heal Thy Practice Conference, November 9th through 11th. Learn from doctors who are doing it, doctors who have built successful practices centered on holistic, health-oriented practice models.
I really wanted to see the whole breadth of things I could do for my office. What could I do to provide better care for my patients? Usually I go to meetings and all we talk about is scientific content. And there's really nothing in there that helps me know what will really help me take better care of my patients themselves in my office.
I got a variety of conferences and I haven't found true content of where to take my practice to the next level. And I came to get some inspiration and some tips.
Increase your revenue while you improve your patient outcomes. But don't take my word for it. Let me introduce you to some of our doctors who attended last year's conference.
Well, I just have to say that this was the best conference that I have ever been to in my 17 years of practicing medicine.
The conference vastly exceeded my expectations. It was everything I wanted to get out of it plus more.
It was distinctly different than any conference I've ever been to because the practitioners here care about each other. It's obvious. They care. They talk to each other. They hug each other. They greet each other with direct eye contact. They're not afraid. They're not afraid. So many medical conferences, everyone there is afraid.
They were like my brothers, sisters. We were like in the same state trying to make a difference in healthcare, which has gone crazy, and trying to make sense of it in a way that would help us run our practices in a more efficient way.
Through the weekend, I learned so many things about other business models to do what I do, what I know I should be doing, but didn't really have the confidence to do because it felt like nobody else was doing it.
It was just so practical. There were so many really concrete pointers that I can put to work right away and changing the way my practice works.
You know, I'm a vegan, and so this is the first conference that I could actually come and eat the food. Food was fabulous. I think it's better than even the health and nutrition conference.
The food was fantastic, the speakers were great, the information was right on for what I needed to do for my practice and what was meant for me, and I met a ton of good connections with a community I need to reach out to.
For more information about the 2012 Heal Thy Practice Conference in Long Beach, California, November 9th through 11th, come to www.holisticprimarycare.net or send an email to conference@holisticprimarycare.net.